designed this called daysMatter, and the app contents is mostly based on the calculator method, which we wrote on our own to calculate the amount of days in between 2 days. The method includes the test for leap years and ends up the days accordingly. We also include a small reminder function which records an event and calculates the amount of days away from today's date, which is retrieved from the calendar imported from Java utility. And in the UI interface, there are 2 rows of spinners in which the users can set the start and end date for the day calculator. To do the calculation, select the start and end dates, like this, and click the confirm. So the result will show up here. And we also add a small test program that tests whether the input is valid. For example, an input like February 31, which is obviously invalid, and click confirm. So it will show up like invalid input. Please check your input and try again. And the button clear will clear the calculation and set the start and end dates as default, like this. And to set up a reminder, select the date from the same spinners as the starting date, like this, and click set reminder. So the result will show up here. And we also provide edit text so that the users can name the event, like this. So if the event happens before today, it will show up like already, and otherwise like this, it will show up left. And we did it just because the final is coming, and we found that to calculate how many days left to our finals is very important for us students. And in the whole process, we worked on together, but my partner mostly worked on the coding part because his coding skills are stronger than me, and myself mostly worked on researches and thought about ideas and projects. Say, I found a very interesting days recording method called Julian Day, which is usually used by astronomers. This recording method only records the days and has no months or years. So it seems like very useful for us to calculate days in between 2 days. But we found it actually just the same as if we transfer the day to days. Like 1 year equals to 365 days. And we did encounter a very interesting technical problem in the very beginning, just after the coding. At that time, our program always failed and could not even open up on the emulator after several attempts. But after we carefully reviewed our programs and UI, we found that the error is just because the months we written were text instead of numbers, so it couldn't be transferred to integers naturally. Um, and in the future, apart from making it much more pretty, adding several more pages and some good backgrounds, we wanted to add something really cool, like calculating the days in between 2 days if we were in a black hole or a wormhole. So thank you for watching. That's all.